Here is how to upload a PDF to Google Docs. First, you need to locate the PDF that you want to upload. Open your Google Chrome or your preferred web browser. Then go to Google Docs. Open workspace.google.com and access the Google Docs and sign into your specific account. Now select blank document and click on File in the top left corner. Then select Open, click on Upload, click on Browse, and select the PDF and upload it right over here. But in the case, if you see a message saying the file type isn't supported, don't worry. Open a new tab and open your Google Drive. Open a folder, right-click on it, or select New in the top left and select File Upload. Then select the PDF that you want to upload and wait for a few minutes or seconds for it to upload. Now open the PDF, and sometimes it will directly open in the Google Docs. If not, you can right-click on it and then select Open With, and here select Google Docs. Be patient while it loads, and once it's open, you can access it again by clicking on Google Docs in the top left corner, and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.